5 plus 4 parenthesis 13 to the power of 2 divided by 13. 5 plus 4 will give us 9. And we have 9 parenthesis 13 to the power of 2 divided by 13. 13 to the power of 2 will give us 169. 169 divided by 13. 169 is 169. Then we put down our 9 here. 169 divided by 13 will give us 13. Then we put down our 13 here. Then we have 9 times 13. 9 times 13 will give us 117. 117 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 13 to the power of 2 divided by 13. 13 to the power of 2 is 30 times 13. So we first of all solve our exponent, which is 13 to the power of 2. 30 times 13 will give us 169. Then we have 169 divided by 13. Put it in our parentheses. Then we have 5 plus 4. Then we solve our 169 divided by 13. 169 divided by 13 will give us 13. Then we have 13. We bring down our 5 plus 4 times 13. Here we have an addition and a multiplication. We first of all solve our multiplication because it comes first before addition. 4 times 13 will give us 52. Then we have 5 plus 52. 5 plus 52 will give us 57. 57 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.